Just gonna put this into place, but I've got to line up the height and everything yet because it's not the same as the other side. That's to there, to the body line. That's down. And I'm going for my guide for measurements. There. There. Go down a bit. There. Again, I've got the same issue that I did on the other side as these graphics. That's the spacings. The end of the door is here, and yet the letter is going over the gap. And again, here it's not level, so I'm going to cut it and move this bit back a bit, and then it's pretty well level with there. I'll move back a fraction and I'll do it like I did on the other side, and get it a bit better. I'll just show you the other side. This is the other side I've done, where I've cut it and brought it back. Yes, there's a gap of the black there, but you know, at the end of the day I couldn't do anything about that because of how the spacings are on the letters. So I might be able to salvage a bit of black somewhere and put a bit in, but I don't think it's worth messing about. Leave it as it is. So, and the rest of it lined up. It's just the spacings were incorrect for the door gap. That's why I had to cut it. There was no other choice. Now you can see I've had to cut it to put the spacings for the letters, and there is going to be some black missing there, and the letter O is just on the edge, so I can just get away with that. And yes, there's going to be a bit there, but with the curve of the door and how I ought to do it on the line, it doesn't look a lot, but when you're actually cutting something, it's just if the spacings would have been bigger, wider on here, I wouldn't have had to cut the graphics, but the spacings were too close together for here, and that's what's thrown me, and that's what's making this not the best. So now I've got to peel this back and do this, and then make sure that this is all level on here. So that's the next job, but I can't do this and hold this at the same time. I need two hands to do this. Now you can see again, because the spacings were not correct, there's a gap of the black here and here. Really, there was not a lot I could do about it, but what I'm going to try and do is get a piece of black transfer. I've got another piece, and lay it in there and then just cut it down so it fills the gap in. Might be able to do it, I might not, but that's what I plan to do anyway. So I need to put a piece in there and a piece in here and lay it over and make it look tidy, and the same the other side. But it's on. It's not the best. It'll do for the time being, and I'll probably take this off and put a better quality transfer on. The company I had it from, it was through eBay, and it's the trouble with eBay, isn't it? You can't get in touch with them, you can't talk to them on the phone, and they send this stuff out. So I'll probably go to a local place in the summer and I'll take this lot off and put some more on. If I pay a bit more money, fine, at least I got a better quality product. Now I'm putting this on the back here. There's no real plan for it, but I think this is the best. If I go any further down, the body line's too much. I've only got a little bit of the body line there, and it levels out. So that should just sit just nicely. And it's level with the body line. And let's see how it goes. So now I'll just put that on. And just peel it back. There we go. There'll be a bit more there by things. That's a bit big. Let's just up and get that. Alright, so I'm going to peel that back. I don't think I can get behind it to do it. Oh, I can. Holding it with one hand. I can't do it with one hand. Just pause this. Got that. I did make a one there. It wasn't there before. I put that in, but just on the angle, just there. Well, it is what it is. Now I'm piecing this, so I'll cut this, and I'm going to try and hope that I can get that lined up just there. There goes for nothing, eh? Let's see what happens. Now I've had to freehand this and try and line it up the best I can. Been many years since I've done this. Thinking over 20 years. This is the last time I laid graphics down on the motor. Now I'm hoping that I've got that right there. And that there will just wrap round below and cut that. That's not a problem there. I already know how that. Let's see what happens when I peel it back. Again, doing this one-handed. Isn't really ideal. What's that bit there? Well, I've got that joint okay. And that one. And that one. There we go. We're cooking with gas. Wrap that round like that. That looks okay. Yeah, you can see the join. That's alright. There we go. I'm going to try and use a bit of concern there that I've got there.